Today we have a 2014 Chevy Cruze. We're replacing the purge valve. Very easy process here, it's right on top. What we're gonna do is first disconnect the connector here. Just push and pull. Then we're gonna remove this line here. Just basically push these back like so. Pull out. And also on this end here, just squeeze and pull up like so. Now we'll just slide it out and get our new one installed. So after I took that off, remove the old one, I have my new one here. I'm gonna do basically the opposite process. Just gonna slide it in, go into that grommet, see there's a little groove for it. Just slide it right in. Obviously be a little gentle because it's plastic, but so just slide it all the way in. Sorry for making an actual video of me doing the whole process. Push that down. So you hear a click. Let me go a little further down. It's okay, I'll do that in a second. Go ahead and also get this hose in here. And then you can also move from here to get a little more slack. Then connect it here. So pretty much all you gotta do. And you're done. So thanks for watching my quick video on how to do this. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come.